Namaste everyone. So today's practice is about relieving your upper back stress and finding that comfortable space in your spine. Let's start. We simply start with a cross-legged pose with your hands resting on your knees. Now with inhale, roll the shoulders back, bring the chest out and feel the compression in the upper back and a very gentle chest opening. You can slightly lift the chin up and gaze at the center of your eyebrows. We hold here for one breath, a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Very gently release the shoulders, relax your back, interlock your fingers, take a deep inhale here. With an exhale, stretch the arms in front, round the back completely and look down at your chest. Again, we are holding here for one breath. Inhale to place your hands back on your knees, roll the shoulders back, draw the chest out. And exhale to round the back, interlace your fingers, look down. Inhale to chest opens, hands resting on your knees. Exhale to your back rounds, look down to your chest. Last one round, inhale, chest open. And exhale, round the back. With a deep inhale, this time stretch the arms up over your head. And just breathe into your complete spine from your neck bone to the tailbone. And breathe out of your complete spine. Very gently release your hand and drop them down on the floor. Now we place our fingertips back. Shoulders are rolled back, chest is coming out. We try to press our pelvic more in front to increase that compression in the upper back and a nice front body opening. Breathe in and breathe out. Very gently relax your hands and from here come on your knees. So we have simply come into a tabletop position. I find that cat and camel are quite amazing to open your spine and to improve the mobility. So let's do a few cat and camel. With a deep inhale, arc your lower back, bring the chest out, look up. And with a deep exhale, round the back, look down. Inhale to your cat. Exhale to your camel. Inhale to your cat. Exhale to your camel. Inhale to your cat and hold here. Try to keep your breath long and deep. And exhale into your camel. Again, we are holding here. And with an inhale, release the spine, come into a neutral state. Now stay on your knees and just stretch the arms in front. Walk your hands to the front portion of your mat. Take a deep inhale here and with an exhale, push the hip back. But make sure that your hips are coming exactly above your knees. So with a deep exhale, push the hip back. Try touching your chest and your chin on the floor. Welcoming your body into a puppy pose, holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to lift the chest up. Walk your hands back gently into your tabletop. And from here, roll your toes in. Take a deep inhale in tabletop. And with an exhale, lift the knees up. Land into a downward facing dog. Let your heels touch the ground. Try lifting the hip higher towards the sky. And feel like you're trying to push the floor away from your palms. Hold here for one breath, a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Inhale to gently drop your knees on the ground, flatten your toes and come into your child pose.